You can find the Quick Search field at the right-hand end of the menu. When you need to quickly search for an issue, but can't remember where it was, but you do remember it was assigned to you, the Quick Search is perfect. Type My, then Enter, and you will immediately see all issues that were or are assigned to you. If you remember the project key and issue number, simply type these into the Quick Search and press Enter, and you will be taken directly to the issue. Take advantage of this quick search to make intelligent searches with ease. If you are searching for an issue within the marketing department that is about the videos, type the project key MAR and Video and press Enter. You'll see a list of issues which include the word video within the marketing project. You can also search for any word, and the search results will list issues where the word is found in the issue details, description, or comments.